ASSA ABLOY is the leading global supplier of intelligent lock and security solutions. Our strong presence around the world through some of the industry's leading brands means we have decades of expertise and knowledge of local markets and the evolving needs of our customers. This allows us to develop fully innovative solutions for enhanced customer value.
The ASSA ABLOY Group offers a wide range of products, and we profit from its extensive portfolio. The more products it provides, the more profitable it is for us. The fast and simple handling and assembly process are core values for us. They enable and facilitate the assembly of elements on the construction site and in the course of the project delivery.
We decided to choose ASSA ABLOY products because the design fitted into the concept for the whole interior design, and they are also very reliable products. We haven't had any complaints, and the process work in cooperation with ASSA ABLOY has been perfect all the way.
What makes ASSA ABLOY door closers so special are the various installation options. There are 4 possible types of installation: standard installation, frame installation, and the corresponding installations on the opposite hinge side. What's particularly interesting is the height-adjustable axle, as well as the metal valves, which are simply more robust.